Milani Operators Training Center is fully registered. +27731 582 436 Milani Operators Training has experienced tremendous growth, with branches in GA. The growth of the business can be attributed to the dedicated management team, professional facilitators, fair pricing and quality-focused customer care. Milani Operators Training is a TETA-accredited training center. Our aim is to be South Africa leading training providers with the most versatile courses offered. Classic Operators and Welding Training is committed to ensuring that quality underlies every aspect of the business's objectives, being customer, industry and community-driven, designing training programs to meet the needs of the customer, industry and community, using performance indicators to improve and develop, using assessment, appraisal results to improve, commitment to change. We offer on-site training, so that your production doesn't stop. We offer health and safety training to private individuals and employees, providing valuable skills and information on procedures, available equipment and the required action. Our unparalleled service and integrity make us your ideal OHS partner. Train today, for a safer, more productive tomorrow. About us: call us +2773 158 2436 for booking. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you so much for entrusting us as one of the best service providers in as far as machine operations training, mine-related training and construction-related training is concerned. We are a training provider who specialize in training the general public on how to safely operate lifting machines, equipment such as forklifts, mobile crane, gantry cranes, truck-mounted cranes, telehandler, reach stacker, reach truck, overhead crane, tower cranes, etc. Call us +27731 582 436 0731 582 436. WhatsApp